everyone, today we are entering Icherisheher, Baku Old City, in order to explore how the people living here, yes, there are lots of people who are still living in this oldest part of our hometown, how they are celebrating the Tuesdays, how they are setting the bonfire and everything. For those of you who are new to my channel and haven't watched my previous year's videos about Novruz, I highly recommend doing so by clicking the link here. This way you will better understand what is Çarşamba, what is Novruz, and what traditions we follow in this beautiful day, this wonderful holiday which is celebrating the arrival of spring and the beginning of the new year. Now let's return to this video. It's quite foggy today again. It's been foggy yesterday and today still. Maybe you can see it, maybe not. We came quite late because we didn't expect such traffic. For years since I first heard that people of Icherisheher are celebrating Tuesdays here, I wanted to come and see it all with my own eyes, and this year finally I saw in the news that Water Tuesday was celebrated traditionally with the bonfires and everything. And I offered my parents to celebrate Fire Tuesday differently, so instead of sitting at our house eating the dinner, we decided to come to Icherisheher. People say that the bonfire is organized somewhere in here. Oh God, I see fire! Yay! I see it! Happy Fire Tuesday, everyone! Novruz is coming and the children are having fun. We were told that there is a larger bonfire a little bit further, and I see it. More fun there. People are singing and dancing. I feel like it. Oh yeah, that's better content. Wow, I didn't expect that. That's much better. That is Novruz in Baku. Nermin, this is for you. You can see fog very rarely in Baku, so it's such a great combination of luck and joy for me that I could shoot this special content for you in such special weather. And of course the fog adds mystery to Icherisheher, and that's why it is a mysterious place where present meets past. All done, all shot. Great job.